Step into a sunlit garden where the air is warm with the spice of fire, and let your senses awaken to the lively, vibrant scent of basil. This humble green herb, often found in kitchens, carries far more than culinary charm. It is alive with the passionate forces of Mars and the blazing essence of fire. Masculine in energy, basil ignites action, courage, and vitality. Its leaves radiate power for love, protection, wealth, and even exorcism, making it one of the most versatile magical allies. Throughout history, basil has been steeped in myth and superstition. In Eastern Europe, a sprig of basil offered from a woman's hand was believed to be enough to capture a man's love. Its fragrance has long been said to soften tempers between lovers, weaving harmony where discord once lived. Across cultures, basil has been burned, scattered, or carried as the charm of fidelity, a guardian against evil, and a magnet for prosperity. Its fiery nature both fuels passion and repels negativity, reminding us that love and protection often spring from the same flame. Its fresh scent is said to inspire sympathy. Its leaves can foretell the outcome of relationships, and its presence blesses homes and businesses with good fortune. A sprig in the pocket calls wealth to the bearer, while basil on the threshold protects the household from misfortune. Where basil grows, evil cannot thrive, and where its fragrance lingers, love and warmth are kindled. Even ancient tales of witches drinking basil juice to take flight remind us of the plant's otherworldly potency and its deep connection to magical traditions. Basil has always been seen as a plant of power, able to shape the seen and unseen. Its spirit is fiery, protective, and loyal, offering strength to those who carry it and harmony to those who honor it. As you breathe in the vibrant fragrance of basil, let it remind you of fire's dual gift, to warm the heart with love and to shield the soul from harm. Its leaves, small yet potent, carry the legacy of countless generations who have trusted its magic for protection, fidelity, and fortune. Like a flame tended carefully in the hearth, basil burns with steady strength, a reminder that passion and safety can dwell together, blessing your path with both love and luck.